Hi everyone, my name is Kelvin Brooks and I am so excited to be able to officially invite you to Carleton University's first ever virtual open house for international students. This event will take place on Saturday, November 14th, and it will take place at 2 different times. Please select the one that is best for you. The first time slot will be from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The second time slot will be from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time as well. And we could not be any more excited to host you on our virtual platform. During the event, we will be discussing all things Carleton, beginning with the application process and the admission requirements, to scholarships, residence, student life, and everything that Carleton has to offer you as an international student. There will be a mix of both live and pre-recorded sessions, and you will be able to connect with myself and other international recruiters and admissions officers throughout the 4-hour event. We are so excited to be able to host you, and we really hope you're able to join us. You can register online, and we hope to see you there.